Hi, in honor of May being Mental Health Awareness Month, I wanted to bring on a guest here today. Welcome, Jenna.
Hi, Ashley. Thank you so much for having me. I am Jenna McDonough. I am a meditation and mindfulness teacher, a Reiki master, and a sound healer. I specialize in emotional regulation with a trauma sensitive standpoint. So I like to use all those different modalities to help release stuck energy from trauma in the body so that it doesn't manifest as physical illness or dis-ease.
Great. And how do you move stuck energy in the body?
There's a few different ways you can move stuck energy. You can use meditation. You can combine meditation with breath work. You can do more intense breath work to help move stuck energy. You can also use sound healing, which is one of my favorite ways to move energy. And I like to combine all of this with the Reiki and the sound healing by raking the bowls and opening sacred space before I begin to play.
Sounds great. And I know you had
Yes,
shared with me before this call that you had a singing bowl that you might share with us here today, just to get a little
absolutely.
taste of your work.
So this is a crystal singing bowl. This is a high C bowl. It's used for DNA repair. When
Mm.
I work with clients in a session to help move stuck energy, I use a full set of singing bowls with each one connected to a different chakra or energy center. I also use gongs, drums, and tuning forks to help move stuck energy. Moving the stuck energy of a trauma is important, but what do you do while you're in the process of moving that energy if that trauma gets pressed on? Well, I'm going to teach you a falling out breath, which is a combination of a breath work, a sound, and a somatic reset. It's simple and easy, and you should do it 3 times. Inhale through your nose, bringing your shoulders up towards your ears, and exhale gently through your mouth, allowing your shoulders to fall as you sigh. If your trauma gets pressed on and you're feeling any kind of emotional dysregulation, try 3 falling out breaths to feel better.
Thank you so much for being here today, Jenna, and thank you for watching. Please be kind to yourself and to others. While May is Mental Health Awareness Month, every day is important to take care of your mental health. If you or someone else you know is struggling, you can contact the Suicide and Crisis Helpline, which is 988. You can text or call, it's 24 hours for free confidential help. Take care of yourself.